Welcome back, everyone. Today I got some unfortunate news, actually. So my S13 Hatch, which you may have seen in another video, super mint. Used to take this thing everywhere, man. Car shows, hanging out with friends, just cruising, you know, all kinds of fun stuff. I'll show you the picture in Clean Culture in Orlando here in a moment. But what happened was I accidentally hit a wall, being a jackass, which I'll show you guys the clip here, which is about a 3-second clip. Kind of tough to watch for me, especially. Not trying to make this super emotional or nothing, but you know, just a lot of shared memories with this car. I've only had it for about like a year and a half, and a bunch of things have happened, changed, and the main purpose of this video is to kind of document it, I guess, and have a little before and after. This is when I manual swapped it. This picture right here. Good times, man. Really good times. But like I said, I want to kind of recap this and show you guys what happened. Show you guys a little sneak peek of what's going to happen and what the car is going to look like. I'm already halfway through the process, so we're getting there. This next clip is me crashing it, so watch the journey. Alright, and just like that, life changes real quick too, man. As you can see, I'm you know, learning some skills here, welding for the first time in this clip, actually, preparing for some quarters maybe. And then I'm messing with the hood. You guys will see all of this. This is just a few sneak peeks. It's crazy though how much my life changed in that one night, to be honest with you. Not to be like deep or anything or whatever, but just the amount of stuff that's changed. I've learned that you know, just new experiences and meeting people and just everything. I have so much content to show you guys. Really excited actually about it. But yeah, like stuff like this. I'm putting a primered, it's also black primer, primered fender on my car. In the past, I could not imagine doing this. I was too scared to put a sticker on this car. And this crash really has opened up. Obviously, it had to have. Really opened me up and, you know, modifying this car the way I always wanted to modify it, because this is what I always wanted to do. I always wanted the hood scoop. I always wanted, you know, cool fenders, wide body. Some people may say, you know, should have kept it clean. Well, can't do that now, so I'm gonna make the best of it as it comes, you know. And I still love this car so much, and who knows, you know, what transformations it's gonna go through, but I'm here for it. I will never give up on this car, no matter what. The frame is straight now, so I'm good to go on that. Obviously, there's a few things to clean up here and there, which can definitely be used. But maybe one day we'll push some power. I'm not sure. Don't have that in the plans yet. But first, I want to really clean up the outside of the look of this car and make it look how I want it to, and recreate that beach picture in the first clip that you saw. Because that's the goal, to just go back out there, cruising, doing what I love, with the car I love. Just having a good time, you know? It's my favorite thing about this car. A bunch of people, when I was rebuilding this car, which I still am, they're like, just make it a drift car, and I will not do that. This car has meant too much to me, no matter what crash it goes through. I do not care. So there's a little sneak peek at the end of this video too. You guys will see in a minute. So hopefully you guys like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Fire. That's not a picture.